Alright, so here's a quick tutorial on how you can add a film grain effect to your clips on iOS. So here we've got this Ferris wheel shot over here, and I'm just gonna tap on effects and then search for static, and then you want to click TV static. Then hit fill to make it cover the entire length. So right now the static effect is a bit strong. So if you want a film grain, we just go here and set the static blend to a bit lower. So you can tune this, but the lower you set it, the more it's going to look like film grain. And that's it. Let's set it to full screen and we can take a look now. And yeah, as you can see, there's this crackle going on at the back. So that gives it this analog film look. All right, that's it. Try it out and let us know what you think. This is the SYN-FX app, and thank you for watching.